Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, aka Javier's channel, the legendary Javier. And I'm so blessed to be here today, and I'm going to show you something that is very interesting. That is probably make me break out all over again. And what I'm doing today is doing a full face of makeup using products that I'm throwing away. And just a disclaimer, not all the products that I actually hate, but some of them are either too old or they not work for me obviously, or they just almost gone. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. They're not in the camera. Yeah, right. Let's jump right into it. I've already had my brows done. I'm not throwing my brows product. I just don't buy brow products that I don't trust. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to prime right now to find my primer because it's a mess here. So I'm going to use my MAC stroke cream. They find the foundation kick up when they try to use stroke cream underneath. So it's kind of my problem as well. I don't really understand why it's happening to me, but it just hates me so. And I'm going to clean up my brows using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Not necessarily I don't like it, but then it's way too old. It's way too old. I don't know what shade it is, but it doesn't matter anymore. Like, yeah, right? So I'm going to take a little concealer brush. I'm just going to get some product onto the brush. And I'm just going to cover up my brows a little bit. Then I went on with the Instant Age Rewind again and prime my lid. Blend it out with a beauty blender. That's it. So now we're going into the eyes. So this is a quad that I created with Addiction Cosmetics when I was in Tokyo, and I just custom made my own little palette. And let's take a little packing brush. This is actually a concealer brush. This is a Sigma F64. I'm just going to take this shade right here, and then I'm just going over the lid. Just kind of set everything. After setting the lid, I'm actually going into a blush. So this is the blush that I'm going to use later on. The Rimmel London blush in 190 Coral. I love the shade of this blush, but then I don't know why. Last time I used it on my cheek, it broke me out so badly, and I kind of stopped using it, so I think I'll throw this away. And I'm going to take a very fluffy brush. This is the MAC 221 brush. I'm just going to swirl it in to be my crease color. I'm just going to sweep this color on the upper crease. After that, we'll go straight into the palette. Well, I'm going into the red shade here. And why I'm throwing this away, because this, first things first, this is way too old. The second thing is I just seldom reach for it, and then I feel like maybe I should throw it away. There was one time I feel like maybe I should keep it. Like, this is one of the first few makeup products that I bought on my own, so I feel like maybe I would like to keep it. But then I really seldom reach for it. I don't know, I reach for a lot of the others eyeshadow palettes more than this one. I don't feel like they have a lot of pigment in it, and it's kind of hard to blend, so I'm going to put the purple in the outer corner using this Sigma E44 brush. I'm just going to tap on the color, and then I'm just going to pop it in the outer corner. I'm just gonna try to build up the color because I don't feel like this is not really that pigmented. And then I'm taking the tip of the brush. I'm just going to lightly drag the color to the middle of the crease. yeah, we can now go into foundation. So for foundation today, I'm going to mix in 2 of them. This is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD stick and the MAC Studio Fix Fluid. I'm throwing them away because this is way too yellow that I don't like it. And this, on the other hand, I just don't love this. This is not sitting on my skin in the way that I like it, so I'm just gonna throw it away. I'm just going to do 3 pumps on the back of my hand and I'm just dotting it all over my face. See what's happened. I'm just going to blend these 2 foundations together. I know this is a lot of foundation, you don't need to tell me, but I'm going to add 2 more pumps. But I do need full coverage here. I need some coverage. Let me live. Okay, so I'm just going to put the excess products on my fingers and on the back of my hand onto the beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend this all out. And other thing about this foundation is, although I have a million layers on, they don't have enough coverage. So I'm just going to take another concealer that I'm throwing away. This is the Becca Aqua Luminous Concealer in the shade Beige. So I throw this away because I almost ran out of it. And I can tell you that I love it so much. I love it so much that I will repurchase it. So yeah, this is something that I really love, because on no makeup days, if you still want a little bit of something to cover up your something, you can just use this, boop boop boop. Then they're not all gone, but it looks really natural and I really loved it. Not that they don't have coverage, they have enough coverage, but they look really natural. And that's what I like about this foundation. I can tell you, I have foundation all over my freaking hair. I'm going in with this Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer in the shade Y31. I love this. I can tell you, I really, oh shit. I really love this. And, but it's just way too old. I'm just going to dot it all over. I don't need that much, but just trying to get a use out of this. Get some good use out of this. So, okay, so after concealer, we're going to set. The next thing I'm throwing away. Can you believe it? La Prairie. This is La Prairie setting powder in the shade Translucent 2. I'm not really throwing away this because I can still manage to use this like when I'm off camera. So I'll still use this, but then it's just not ideal when you try to take flash photography. So I'm just going to take a flat tight lining brush, and then I'm just going to pick up more of the purple shade actually. So I'm just going into the purple shade and I'm just tight lining my eyes. I'm not going all the way, I'm just going halfway through. So same thing for the other eye. So I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to dip into the silver shade here. Hopefully it will work. And then I'm just going to sweep it on the lower lash line. My camera have a problem with me, so is start recording out of nowhere?
Oh wow guys, I'm right now editing my video and I'm really not expecting this happening. Like, it cut off way too much. I'm just going to walk you through what I did and why I threw them away, probably, so that you have an idea what's going on during a cut off. So I basically put on 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil from Urban Decay in the shade LSD into my waterline and then blend it out with a pencil brush. So I'm throwing that away because it's just too old. No any other reasons. They are very good. They're a little bit glittery, but in a way that I really like them. So yeah, I'm throwing that away. And I also have my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark Deepest thrown away because this is way too orange if you cannot see for me, and it's been there for a while already. It has been expired, so I have to throw them away. And then of course the blush is the Rimmel London Coral in 190, and then I have highlighter going on. So all my highlighted places, I am using the NYX Born to Glow palette, and they just show up kind of ashy on me for a lot of shades. It's just not too versatile for me. If I'm looking for the shade I'm using, which is in the middle on the right hand side, it's a golden shade, I can actually have a lot more choices in the market, so I prefer some other choices. So, and then off to lips. We're having Jouer Creme Brulee, it's too old, and I also have my Bare Minerals Totally Gloss in the shade Brilliant. I'm just running out of it, so I'm throwing that away. That's it. Moving on. That's a mouthful.
Yeah, so we're about to do our lashes. So first of all, we're going to curl our lashes. So where's my lash curler? Oh, here. So I'm just going to curl my lashes. And then let me apply some mascara. The mascara I'm throwing away is the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Mascara. Everybody knows it smudges crazily, but nonetheless, it gives me totally brilliant, sophisticated, I've never seen before lash. I hold on to this so much that you have no idea. Because I really love this. This makes my lashes look so great. And then for lashes, this is from the brand Pinky Goat. I love their lashes, but these are too old, so I'm going to throw away. To set our makeup, I'm going to use the MAC Mineralized Charged Water. Let's just dry the fuck out of my face, so yeah, we're going to use this. That's it, guys. That's complete the video. I hope you like this look, although I'm using a lot of, all the makeup that I'm throwing away. But yeah, still, I hope you like the look that I created, and leave a comment in the comment section down below. Let me know if you like it or not, like this look or not. What are you throwing away? What are your empty products this month? Or what are you, this is my holy grail, but I just used it up. Let me know everything about makeup down below, and if you have created this look, please tag me on Instagram and I'll definitely like it. And although I don't have a lot of subscribers and a lot of followers, but let's keep it real, I'm still gonna like it because you created my look. I appreciate it, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna see you next time. Peace out. Oh damn, scared the freak out of me. I'm actually really obsessed with this look.